Beast.
Oh, Beast. Oh, he's fucking going. Look at this guy. For a guy. Beast. One.
Yeah.
Progress one.
Yeah, nicely done.
Make sure we're out of his sun so he can see.
Yeah.
That's how you're supposed to do that.
Yeah.
Progress two.
3's over there. 5:20 remaining.
The bone shaker people. No. They're fun. I mean, they're comparable to fun with as me. Comparable. Get the fuck out of the way.
Get back down and up.
Up and 4.
Ooh. Oh.
The DSA that's to work, baby.
There it is. Fuck yeah. What?
Right.
Up in here.
Yeah.
4:20 remaining.
Progress 4.
Nice.
Progress 5.
Watch gate 2. 4 minutes remaining. You going and you going after that bonus. Show me how to do it.
Stop time.
You gonna show me how to do that bonus?
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
You're at 10 points, driver.
On you.
Don't hit it.
We're moving on.
Yep. Down here. This is up. From that side. Yep.
Yeah, we all. That seems to be the line. I don't know how the hell Brian does what he does, but I needed the Marcus line.
Yep. 7, Jack, all for 1. You want to take it and go?
What's his time?
3:23.
Yeah, you're only at 10 points. That's totally worth
Yep.
it. That thing's a nightmare.
9 to your right.
Big progress.
8, you mean?
8.
3:10 remaining.
Work it. Work it.
Working.
That's progress 8. I'll be your goalie. It's not as ugly as it looks.
And damn.
Nicely done, sir.
Good. You're good. Just keep going.
No, I'm just trying to load it gently.
Yep.
So you don't
Where's
want
9?
to right
Where's
in?
10?
10 to the left.
What's my time?
2 minutes.
Progress 9.
That's not mine.
Yep. Dropping down and go try to get it.
There's a nice little road right over here. And you just drive it. Come on, old girl.
Reverse.
Yep. Take it, little one. Get off that. There you go.
Undercut's 10 miles deep.
Yeah.
All right, let's get out.
1:30. You got time. Come on.
So get up here, stay on top of this ridge where Marcus is. Come over here, hug this gate, wiggle your ass under. Get real close to that thing. There you go.
That'll work. That'll play.
Ooh, no.
Nope,
Oh,
you already hit
dang.
it. Go.
You're good.
Come on with
You
it.
hit it.
You
Just
hit
don't
it.
hit
Don't
this
hit
one.
the
Can't
outside.
see that one.
You're
You're
good.
good.
Come on.
You're close,
Drive.
but you're good.
Yep.